Hey guys, today I'm going to be playing Escape the Construction thing. I forgot. Escape the Construction obby, I think. I don't remember. But, so here as you can see, I already died in the first level. And there was some, that's why. I'm going to die a lot in this video. Oh, oof. Told you. I already died in the first jump. I couldn't even make it to the second hammer. Oh, and if you hear background noises, I'm upstairs, so people downstairs are making the noises. But here I go. I made it. I'm going up this metal thing. That girl pushed me. I mean, she didn't really push me, but like I was jumping, she was in my way, and I just jumped. I just jumped on the wrong plank, and I died. So I'm trying again. That girl just fell. Here I'm just climbing up these metal things. I'm climbing up these things. Ooh, I died again. Great. So. Yeah, so I'm just going to do it again. By the way, I'm only going to finish up to level 13 because my friend joined. And I'm the worst at all these, and I just quit a lot. So, yeah, I quit like so easily. I couldn't even make it to level 20. Later in this video, I'm going to quit at level 13. I just want to tell you. Okay, I'm here. I'm lost. Okay, I found my way. Here I jump over these deadly screws, I think. Why are they even orange? Like, what happened to them? Like, okay, I'm confused in this part, but I saw this guy, and I just followed him. I died again. How great. Okay, those background noises are like from outside now, like the door is opened and we have a balcony, so they're gonna see and they're gonna like hear me. Oh, that guy died. Rest in peace, Bacon. I'm kidding. Okay, let's jump over these saws. Checkpoint. This part was pretty hard, like I saw a girl there. How'd she do it? I'm like so confused. Sure, last jump. Great, I died. Wait, what is that? There's something written in my pants. Okay. Why do I keep dying? Look, there's something. Queen of Diamonds. I guess I'm a Queen of Diamonds. I'm just kidding. Oh, that girl died. Okay, let me just jump over these little bar things, pipe things. I don't even know what they are. They're bars or pipes. Oh, we're not even in the construction place anymore. We're like in some sewer or something. But checkpoint. Okay. Great, I died. Only my arms and head fell off. My body's just great. My hands just couldn't make it. Okay, let me just jump over these. Okay, great. I died again. So. Perfect. I died again. Okay, this is just barely what this video is all about. Playing a obby, me dying like 100 times in this video. Not really 100 times, but you get my point. Okay, jump on. Yeah, we're in the construction place again. So let's just walk through. What even is this? Is this cement or something? Okay, I still don't know what that is, but okay. let's jump over this. And let's cross over this, like, thing. How can a rainbow thing kill me? Like, for real. What kind of construction place would have, like... There we go, my friend joined. I didn't... He actually joined. Like, I was just, like, playing. He just joined. He's actually a really good friend. So I decided to... We are gonna play after this video. I quitted because I had to edit this, and I had to, like, I quitted because here's me talking to him. Okay, yeah. So, bye guys. Hope you guys like, subscribe, and share. Bye.